Hi, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iPhone iOS 14.5. To jailbreak your iPhone iOS 14.5, you need to install latest checkra. To install latest checkra, you need Apple, Mac or Linux operating system. Method to install checkra in Linux operating systems. Link is given below in description. After installing checkra, open checkra. It says connect your iPhone. Let's connect iPhone. It says iPhone 7 Plus connected, iOS 14.5.1. Let's go and turn off Find My Phone and Touch ID passcode. After that, press Start. Click Next. It will enter in recovery mode automatically. After this, it will guide you how to enter DFU mode manually. Press Start and press volume down button and side button together. Now release the side button. Release the volume down button too. Now you are in DFU mode. Now your phone is booting. As you can see, it shows error booting device, error code -12. Press done. Remove your cable and change your cable. Again, click next. Press start. Hold for 4 seconds. Release the side button. Keep holding down the volume down button. Now you're successfully in DFU mode. Now your phone is booting. You can see your phone is jailbroken. Open checkra and install CDR. As you can see, CDR is installed. Complete upgrade. Confirm. Return to CDR. Now you're successfully jailbroken.